Hi, in this short video, I'm going to talk a little about that I both have this YouTube channel that you're watching this video on, but I also have some of the same content on Udemy as a Udemy paid course. And what is the difference? Do you miss anything by not going to Udemy? And why I have both? Because I get this question a lot, I made this video, so I could link to that. So again, I have this YouTube channel. You're looking at it right now, so I don't need to link you to that. But I also on Udemy, which is a teaching platform like Skillshare and Pluralsight and things like that. I have a course called AI in C# using Microsoft Agent Framework. And it's a paid course, not because I really want to earn money about this. This is all about spreading the knowledge about Agent Framework. But Udemy don't allow courses to be free unless they are under 2 hours. And the course that are up there have a total video length of 12 hours. So I couldn't make it for free. So instead, I've given away, the first time you give away coupons, you can give up to 1,000 free coupons. And then from time to time, we get new coupons up there. So I've just in the description of this video added 100 more entries that you can grab if you see this early. If you see it later, sorry if they have already run out. We can't give new out for free forever. There are some limits on how many of these coupons we can make. But what is up there? Well, there's, as you can see here, 17 sections with 74 lectures and almost 13 hours of content. And Udemy is really, really good because we can make these sections and lectures and structure everything into different areas where, yes, there's playlists on YouTube, and you could begin and make multiple of them, but most people just consume a channel and not really go about trying to figure out where it is. So the main benefit you get up here is structure. So you can jump into different areas. On YouTube, you need to know what you're searching for or peruse through all the videos. So that's one of the major benefits. But you might think, is there anything in there that I don't get on YouTube? And as such, not really. What is different is that these first sections here is an introduction to the system. The 4 main pillars of Agent Framework, meaning chat, tool calling, structured output, and RAG. You have exactly the same information on YouTube. There's a 90-minute version of this data, and this primarily comes from a tech talk I made that needed to be 90 minutes long. But essentially what is mentioned in this is a condensed version of the first lectures here, which are 4 hours long and are recorded in January 2026. So some of it is recorded, everything in this area is recorded and new, but I tell about the same things. So you can buy the 90-minute version of the video plus the various videos on YouTube. You can get exactly the same information. There's nothing hidden behind a paywall in any way. It's just more structured. There's a red thread throughout the things, and it's my second take on some of the videos. So while I might learn about a topic, made a video on YouTube, and later on became a little better at explaining it in details. So some of these videos are slightly better quality in terms of understanding, but not by much. So those are the 4 first hours. The last of all the hours is actually just the same content as you see on YouTube. So it's one-to-one, it's the same video with the same introduction, the same speak, everything. And you can even say that YouTube have some videos that I don't put up here because it doesn't really fit any of these categories. So You essentially get more on YouTube, but in a less structured way. And that is the main point in all of this. But again, if you're new to Agent Framework, I will definitely either go by the 90-minute version here, or go by either get the free coupon if you are lucky enough to hit one of those, or buy it for the cost. They're normally pretty cheap and give discounts all the time on Udemy in order to get a really, really structured introduction to yourself. But again, I'm not forcing anyone. I'm not really earning too much money on this. I earn some money, roughly $400 US a month on the Udemy course. So full transparency, there is money involved in this, but that's not the main driver here. So that is just full transparency. You get to choose, of course. So see you on the next one.